The news that Israel's Prime Minister and former Defense Minister were officially wanted men was welcomed by Hamas, which called it an important step towards justice, and by ordinary Gazans, albeit cautiously.
We hope by the grace of God that he sees the darkest day and is put in jail and faces the same injustice that we have faced.
We hope that the decision will serve the Palestinians, particularly those in Gaza, and that it will not be like the other decisions that have been passed unnoticed.
In Israel, though, the ICC's decision provoked a fierce reaction, from the president, who called it a dark day for justice, to Benjamin Netanyahu himself, who accused the court of anti-Semitism, and Yoav Gallant, who said the decision set a dangerous precedent against the right to self-defense. In the streets of Jerusalem, many agreed.
Where did they get the idea of arresting the Prime Minister of the State of Israel? How, when we are fighting for our survival?
I don't think there's too much to say, except that everyone around us is trying to bring us down, to kill us, to make us go down in any way possible and lose this war.
The United States also fundamentally rejected the decision, saying it was deeply concerned by the prosecutor's rush to seek arrest warrants. The reaction from ICC member countries was more cautious, with states like France and Britain clear that they respected the court, but declining to say whether they would arrest Netanyahu, as they'd be required to if he landed on their soil. Italy, on the other hand, said it would arrest him, and the EU's High Representative was categorical.
It is a decision of a court of justice, of the International Court of Justice. And the decision of the court has to be respected and implemented.
Human Rights Watch and Amnesty International agree, saying the decision showed that the individuals in question were not beyond the reach of the law and must now be brought to trial.